Hello everybody, it's Michael from East Hampton Gardens. I am here to show you how to make the elusive red satin bow that we used in this month's beautiful wreath that we made. And I will take you through the supplies you need. You need a very sharp scissor. You need some double-faced Swiss satin ribbon. We sell these by the yard or the spool. It is made in Switzerland. It's absolutely beautiful. It's the cranberry color that we use. It is a 4-inch thick, double-sided satin ribbon. And then what I use to tie the bow together is one single zip tie. So I will now show you how to make the bow. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is measure out 4 yards of the ribbon. I use my arm's length because I'm about 5'10" on a good day, and it's approximately a yard. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. The second thing you're gonna do is measure about 18 to 20 inches for the tail. So you'll take the tail and you'll pinch it between your thumb and your pointer finger. And just pinch it like that, and you're gonna make your first bow, the first part of it. So there you have your tail and the first. Then what you'll do is you'll take the remaining ribbon and just fold it over onto itself and pinch. So then you have the second bow. And then you'll just continue doing that until you have 6 bows together. So that's 1, 2, 3, that's 4, 5, and 6. So right now, it looks like that. So right now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bows. Perfect, you've got your tail and then you've got your extra. So what I then do is I just take a zip tie because they're very easy to use, and I wrap it around the center, like so, stick it through the flat side, and then pull it. And as I pull it, I wanna make sure the tails kind of fold forward, and I just pull it. So now it looks like that. The last thing you're gonna do is do the fluffing. So what I do is I just take my fingers in between and I pull the bows a little tight. And I get the creases and I get anything that may have folded over onto itself that I don't like, and I make sure that I just fluff them up. I take the remaining tail and I bring it forward and I cover the zip tie. And then I'll take my fingers and I'll just fluff this like so and get it nice and tight there. So then the bow is starting to look really beautiful, and like that one area I didn't like. So, you know, you just really get it to your liking, and then you bring it down, and then you have like your 2 tails. And then I just cut, usually I just take the scissor and cut on an angle for my tails. Some people like the, you know, the standard bubble, the double tail. I just like the single. And I just take it, cut it on an angle, and there you have it. Your classic red satin.